Okay. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Nurulali Hidayatun Husna and my student ID is 2024 005 0112 and I'm from SE24I. Okay, in this video, I will presentation about my assignment uh, in in bahasa Inggris profesi about exploring cultural diversity and promoting inclusion in community. Okay, uh, Indonesian batik brought cultural heritage and its philosophical meaning. So, the word batik comes from Japanese in amba writing and titik dot meaning writing with dot. Batik has developed since the Majapahit and Mataram kingdom in Java. Initially only for the royal family, uh, then spreading on the wider community. So batik is also influenced by India and China. So that its motifs are instructorally right. Currently, there are thousands of batik motifs from Aceh to Papua. Uh, next, sorry. About history and development of batik. So, batik has excited since the Majapahit Kingdom and developed rapidly during the Mataram, Solo, and Yogyakarta Sultanates. Initially, batik motifs were inspired by nature, animal, and plants, then developed into symbolic and philosophical motifs. Next, in about uh, batik making technique. There are batik three main techniques. One and a first batik tulis is hand painted with canting very detailed and his value. And two, or second, is batik chop is using a copper stamp, paster, and mass production. Three, batik printing is machine product. Motifs are made with a printing system. Traditional batik use natural dyes from plant and soil. Next, about batik motifs and philosophical meaning. First, about parang motif. Parang motif is symbol of continuity, steadfastness, and strength. Second, kaung motif is symbolize honesty and piety. Three is sidomuti motif is hope for happiness and success. And the last one is other motif is each region has its own unique motif that reflects local identity and life values. And the last one, I presentation about batik as a national identity that is a world heritage. So, batik was recognized as an intangible cultural heritage by UNESCO on October 2, 2009. This recognition strengthens the position of batik as a national identity that is respected by the world. Every October 2, Indonesia commemorates National Batik Day as a form of pride and respect for this heritage. Batik is a symbol of Indonesian pride, a result of creativity and local wisdom that is recognized by the world. Let us preserve and be prone to use batik in our daily life. Okay. Uh, Thank you for your attention about my presentation. Sorry if my presentation is so bad and my English is so bad. Thank you. See you.